What's up guys, it's Mo, and today I have a video for you featuring this fresh start kit from Print Petticoat Bandit, one of my favorite printable shops. And there are a butt ton of pages in here, which is nice. She has like a mini kit. Honestly, I don't really know the difference. I'm sure there is one. I always buy the ultimate kit because I want all the stickers. And I'm also using a wiggle, I think they're called. It's like a foil set that came in the SPC Advent from 2019. I actually purchased that on a discount back in like October. And then here's some foils from SPC. I kind of went ham recently on SPC stuff. I'm in my Notique planner cover, which I love. And today I want to showcase for you these free planner stencil, planner layout stencils, I guess you would call them, that I have, that I'm going to link down in the description for you, because y'all know I just want you to be able to do what you want to do with what you've got. So you can cut this with your Cricut Explorer and then you can do different layouts. I'm going to show you, I have a monthly layout that kind of fits Recollections or standard vertical A5 wide stickers, and you just lay it down and trace it. And then I also have a monthly that'll fit Happy Planner or long vertical style stickers. So I'm going to stick in this one that is for the standard vertical, and I'm just going to trace it. You'll see that there are like rectangles cut out. You don't want to just trace around the entire rectangle. You want to draw like the left and right side. And then on the edges, you want to draw a line, placing your pin on the innermost, like to the center of the page line. And on your right page, you're only going to draw 3 columns. I always forget to do that, and then I end up with 4 columns because I'm just drawing lines, and I'm like, why did I do that? So there's a stencil for the standard vertical layout, a stencil for long vertical, and then 2 monthly stencils, one that's going to fit Recollections specifically, because that's what I sized it off of, but I think A5 wide style stickers for your monthly will also fit in there, and then a Happy Planner or long vertical style monthly as well. So take your ruler, you finish off the edges, and then you have your columns and you're able to start planning. I really like this because I like the fact that I can I don't know, customize. Like maybe one week I want to do long vertical and then next week I want to do standard vertical. Like I love being able to do that. I end up ripping the washi here and it frustrates me, but I just whip out the glue and glue it back down. I also not only wanted to showcase those stencils for you, but do a little Q&A. I put out a call for questions. I never really get too many questions when I do those, and I got one question, so I came up with some questions that I want to answer, and just to, I guess, so you guys can get to know me and my planning and whatnot. So first question, how long have you been planning? I have been planning for about, like, I obviously the answer to this question is since like middle school, but since the length I've been like actively, creatively planning like this has probably been about 6 years. And I posted a video, my first video, planner video on YouTube was about 6 years ago. It was a planner setup. And so I've been doing this creative, decorative, whatever planning for about 6 years. Like, it's been a long time. How did you find the planner community? I found the planner community through pocket scrapbooking. I was doing Project Life, and then somehow that led me into the planner community. I really don't know what that transition was, but I remember, but I know I found it because I had started doing that. And I couldn't tell you how it went, but I was like, this is something I can get behind, is this creative planning. And the question that I got when I posted a poll for questions was something like, how and when did you start creative planning? So that's how that happened. About 6 years ago, I was doing pocket scrapbooking for memory keeping for Zach and I, and then somehow I found the planner community, and then somehow I was in Target buying up page flags, and now we're here. How has your planning style evolved? My first planner was just a half letter size binder, 3-hole binder from Target, and I have moved into various ring planners, various discount planners, coil planners. I made my own planner. I was in my own inserts, and then that got to be too much because I was focusing on being very, very specific. And then I moved into a mini happy planner, and then blah, blah, blah. And now we're here where I can be more flexible and creative, and that's where we are. What was your first planner setup? I will leave a link to it. It was, like I said, just a 3-ring binder, half letter size from Target. It wasn't even their Target dollar spot ones. It was like back in the, in the school supply area. And I will tell you, I got rid of a lot of stuff when we moved, and I regret getting rid of those half size binders a lot, because I am now back into this style of planning, the standard vertical like sticker kit planning, and I just got rid of a lot of my stickers. I got rid of a lot of my storage, and so I had to repurchase all of it. And I'm like, why? Never. The moral of the story is, if you're a creative, crafty person, never get rid of anything. What is your favorite planner setup? My favorite planner setup has to probably be the one I'm currently in just my whole year of 2020, because I was able to stay in a planner for the entire year. I didn't switch planners. I didn't move to this planner. I didn't do anything, because I was able to customize my layouts. I really, really like that. And that's what I'm going to keep going into 2020 with, is customizing and drawing out my layouts, because some weeks I want to do standard vertical, some weeks I want to do long vertical, and it was just, I don't know. I really, really liked it, and I really liked how I was doing the horizontal layouts and kind of getting creative in the beginning of 2020, but my favorite planner setup has to be this one. And I also want to honorably mention when I was doing no white space planning in like a personal size planner. I don't know why I liked that, but I really, really did. I really liked all the dividers and the sections and whatnot. I think I had a really good, I'll leave it linked below. I think it was like a routines in my planner video that's really old, that I really liked that setup. It kept me organized. I felt like I was getting stuff done. So I liked that setup as well. What is your favorite pen? Favorite pen is the Pilot Friction Ball Slim. It's a really fine point erasable pen, and I love it. I've been using Friction pens forever. I really would like to try another slim or thin or fine point style pen, but I can't obviously erase other pens, and I really do functionally use my planner, so I'll write stuff in, needed to erase it, etc. I don't like crossing it out, so if I switch to another pen, I won't be able to erase things. So that's what's stopping me from doing that. To draw these layouts, a fine point felt tip marker. The U Brands pens don't bleed through this Happy Planner. This is Happy Planner dot grid paper, and the like U Brands felt tip pens don't bleed through. There's also like a generic brand from not Walmart, from Joann's, that's on clearance right now. I mean, have like a crap ton of those pens, I think, and it's just a felt tip type of pen, and it doesn't bleed through, and I really like to use those. Yeah. What do you like about your current planning style? What I like about my current planning style is that it's easy. I really liked what I was doing in the beginning of 2021, where, I was getting kind of creative or whatever, but this, I go into it knowing what I'm doing. Especially with the standard vertical and having the kits already pulled for you. I'm flipping through the 16 pages of the kits, but I'm not flipping through this sticker book and that sticker book and this sticker book and saying, this would be a perfect sticker, or hoarding. Sometimes I do still hoard stickers, but hoarding, like, I can never use a sticker because I really, I don't know, want to save it for the perfect spread. I have no idea. But I really do like my planning style for that, where I can just sit down, it's predictable, I can still make it look good and different each week, but it's also predictable. And I don't have a lot of time. This is why I don't film a lot of Plan With Me videos, because I have to film the video, then I have to do the voiceover, because I can't really, if I am voiceovering or if I'm talking while I'm planning, it's going to be a 30-hour long video, and that's not something. And then something I want to deal with. And then also I have to go speed this up. I'm already planning for like half an hour. And then I have to go speed this up and do the voiceover. So I forget the whole point of what I'm saying about this is, but that's why I don't, the setup and whatever, I have fun planning the way that I plan. And so the setup for filming it just takes away from it. I just want to sit down and plan. I just want to sit down, have some sticker therapy, and just put some stickers down. And I even have a whole Recollections vertical planner that is just for random sticker kits that I don't think I'm going to use, that are maybe like out of season, or maybe have extra Christmas ones or extra fall ones, and I want to put them down and see how they'll look. And so I just stick them in my recollections planner. And I should do like a memory keeping type of deal, like a rewind planning for that. But this is both a functional, like my current planner is both a functional and a memory keeping style planner. So I don't know. But that's why I like it. It's easy, it's predictable. I don't have to think what's a new fun layout to do. Where am I going to use this sticker? Let me, grab 15 sticker books from the Happy Planner and flip through them. Like, I love the Happy Planner books, and I, love their creative way of planning, but I also like having just things set out for me. And with enough variety, I guess, like what I'm doing here is I'm laying down these boxes. This is a pre-plan. I'm laying down these boxes so that they look good in a certain way. It's, I'm just making a pretty spread. I'm going to use it. I'll put things in there, but like the length of a box or the height of a box or the position of a box is just to make the spread look pretty right now before filling it in. It doesn't have anything to do with the functionality. I'll use all those boxes. Some things I do lay down. Like I lay down, I have a pre-plan with me type of video, but I lay down like something that I know is going to be for my YouTube videos, or I know is going to be for the trash going out, or a movie night on Saturday night. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. And then a sidebar, I forgot to do it in this one, but usually in the sidebar I do my dinners, and the thing that I forgot to do is like a milestone for Marcus, or something I want to remember each week that Marcus has done, and I'll put that in the sidebar. I didn't do that on this spread, but usually that's what I do. So that's why I like it. It's easy to do, predictable. I know what's happening. I don't have to worry about much. What planner would you like to try? I would like to try something like a Hobonichi Weeks or Hobonichi Cousin. I really like those. The Cousin, I think, does the Weeks, the Mega has like pages in the back, but the Hobonichi Cousin has what do you call it? Like daily pages as well. I also would really like to get into my Print Pression Weeks. So most of the time I have enough stickers left over to do another spread using them. So maybe I will try to do a PP Weeks spread sticker therapy style and just lay down stickers. But yeah, I think I'm actually coming up to the end here. And I think I have a couple more questions, so I'm gonna try and fit them in. OG Planner Shops, Scribble Prints Co, One Orange Snowflake. I think there was one called Planner Penny. Brittany and Designs was a printable place. Glam Planner I've purchased from. I only made like one purchase, three purchases maybe, I don't know. And I'm back on my Scribble Prints thing, and I've been purchasing a lot of Wiggles. She had a lot of discounts going on, and I really wanted to build up my foil collection, so I've been purchasing a lot of foil from her. And then the final question is new favorite planner shops. Rose Colored Daze for overlay tapes. I just did the sub for their overlay tape subscription. Print Petticoat Bandit, Planning Choco, Planner Pixie Co, Paper Crown Planner. All of these are printable shops. Yeah, I'm trying to think of any more new ones that I've purchased from. Oh, well, not to mention like not just stickers, Print Pressions, love it. I bought a mystery box. I bought like a bunch of stuff to try different things that Kane was offering in his shop. Notique, I just made an order from. Fancy Plans Co, I think it is. Purchased some stuff from that shop. I love that they sell inserts, or she sells inserts that fit the disc bound stuff. I think that's all the ones that I'm really like in love with now. And we have reached the end. Now I'm gonna snap these guys back into my disc bound planner, and I'm gonna stick my leftovers in the back pocket, show you a wiggle. I'm gonna stick my leftovers in the back pocket and use those the week that this comes up. So thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.